Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? How's it going everyone? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing for a certain piece that was released on 2014. If I'm not mistaken, could have been the summer or the spring or the fall of that year. But with that, it's Veterans Day, and with that, let's see what we got in this year box. GD-120CM-5 module number 5081. How am I gonna open this damn thing? Oh yeah, one manual, but that was the wrong number on this box. No, it ain't the right number. What was that, a mistake? Never mind that, folks, but here it is. Module 3427, the rad module. This is what we're about to see, folks. Multiple languages. Let's cut to the chit chat, y'all. Put the can in there. Here it is, folks. Here it is. This is what you're gonna see, y'all. Calm down, calm down. Hell, just gonna open this up. And look at here. Look what we're about to have, y'all. Okie dokie then. This is what we're going to be getting since it's Veterans Day. Let's see what it is. This is a G-Shock watch piece. GD-120CM-5. Module 3427 is the module. So let's take a look here. What the heck is this? I don't even remember wearing this thing. Let's be clear on that, folks. Okay. Oh yeah. Nice Casio Japan on the buckle. Yes, it is. Casio Japan on the buckle. And then let's take a look at this year. The design and everything. Let's see the aspects. World time, UTC, alarm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, alarm, and back to alarm. But right now it's off. I'd rather leave that off. You got your timer. Wow, my personal favorite, would that be the timer? Okay. You got your stopwatch. Oh, what am I doing here? You got the timer. You got your stopwatch. And let me see back here. And let's take a look at another. The aspects. Good camo. Fit to be in the military. Very cool, very cool. And let's see what the band on this one is. Ooh, it's the 780. Huh. Pause it very carefully, folks. Might as well read it. But it does have a little bit feel of the band of the GD100. This is a double buckle. That's right, double buckle loops, y'all. Ooh, I'm gonna show you that at the end of this video. So yeah, folks, let's see what's the size of this piece, y'all. What's the size of it? What's the size of it? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Then let's get this one ready. 15.8 millimeters. 15.8 millimeters to be exact. No, actually, hold on. Okay. Actually, 4.9 millimeters. Yeah. 14.9 millimeters. Let's be clear on that, folks. 14.9 millimeters. Case width, 50.9 millimeters. Lug width to lug width, 'Lug width' is about 56.2 millimeters. So yeah. And bandwidth is about okay, the bandwidth is approximately 121.9 millimeters. So yeah, folks, this is one significant piece in that year in 2014. So tell me about it, folks. What do you think of this timepiece so far? And with that, let's play rap music for 2014. Let's put the rap music, y'all. By the group called The Jungle with the song The Heat. So the release date for this particular piece was April 17, 2014, a few days before my birthday. Actually, 6 days before my birthday. was a good music. That was fast. Wow, wow. That was a short music. Only for it. Wow, wow, wow. So anyway, admire this piece and how you love it, y'all. So anyways, let's give a shout out to the watch collectors out there, the physical media collectors, and, well, all the autograph collectors out there. And among other things, y'all, heck, enjoy, how's your Veterans Day? Heck, shout outs to the military services out there and all you veterans. So anyways, have a good evening. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid.